Chirag Paswan's politics in Bihar Assembly election is not understood by anyone in NDA. Chirag is not included in NDA in Bihar, but Paswan's party in Delhi is a part of the LJP NDA. Chirag talks about defeating JDU but also talks about forming a government in the state with BJP. Whereas BJP is contesting elections under the leadership of Nitish Kumar, in such a situation, the question arises that who is preparing Chirag's strategy against Nitish Kumar? After all, at whose behest it has been decided to separate it from NDA in Bihar? 5 years ago in 2015 Bihar Assembly elections, if any person discussed name came out more than PM Modi, Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav, he was an election strategist, Prashant Kishore. Prashant Kishore was not contesting the election but was making the strategies to win the election. Prashant used to decide which leader of the Grand Alliance would campaign in which area and which leader would raise the issue in the election campaign. It was his strategy that also worked and the Grand Alliance and had to manage to win more than two-thirds of the seats. But this time Prashant is not visible anywhere for NDA nor for the Grand Alliance. Prashant Kishore has given a comment for Upendra Kushwaha and Chirag Paswan. PK's effort was that Chirag and Kushwaha come together, but Chirag did not want to annoy BJP even after Nitish, so he refused to go to the third front. But Prashant has definitely intensified his efforts to weaken Nitish Kumar. Chirag is showing more attitude with Nitish Kumar. Even if Chirag is doing this, Prashant Kishore has nothing to do in his election campaign. The same Prashant Kishore says that he is working for Mamata Banerjee for the assembly elections in West Bengal. But JDU and BJP believes that Prashant Kishore is fully supporting Chirag, and Prashant Kishore is the mind behind Chirag's statement against Nitish Kumar.